How to replace the vermiculite lining in your Falun fireplace. Firstly, remove the wood retainer and brush out any ash. Remove the top baffle, then the metal baffle above it. Brush inside the flue pipe and the surrounding firebox. Now remove the grate, then the two side pieces of vermiculite. Take out the backing panel and the bottom pieces. Remove all ash and any other buildup from the firebox. Even a small amount of ash will cause the new vermiculite to misalign. Vacuum thoroughly. Remove the ash pan. Use a vacuum cleaner to remove any ash from the ash pan section. Installing new vermiculite. You are now ready for your new vermiculite kit. Put the rear panel in first, followed by the two side pieces. Now for the top. Turn it on its side to get it above the side panels. Then the two base pieces, the grate, and the wood retainer. The vermiculite must be burned in gently. Make a kindling fire with the air control open fully. Once the fire is established, close the air to 50% and allow to burn out. Repeat this step once more after the fire goes out. Your Falun fireplace is now ready for normal operation.